3 decades after being declared a global public health emergency, TB still affects millions of people. People with TB, regardless of sensitivity profile, need to be treated with combinations of 3 or 4 drugs to form a TB drug regimen, which then is given for several months. Drug-resistant TB and long treatment regimens have increased the urgency for action and investment in TB research. This is where Unite for TB aims to make a difference. Our public-private partnership of 30 partners and 13 countries is working hard to identify new effective drugs with acceptable safety profiles to be tested in our clinical trials. If successful, our work will deliver a new treatment regimen that is of a much shorter duration and can be deployed to tackle all types of TB across various drug-resistant patterns and comorbidities.
Unite for TB is the largest public-private partnership on TB drug development in the history of the European Union. And we are thrilled to be kicking off the first large trial in Cape Town, testing at least 11 different drug combinations with 2 new drug candidates. With 5 drug developers and associated partners, and 25 academic institutions, we have selected 25 study sites in 12 different countries on 4 continents. Our trials will enroll more than 1,000 participants with the support of the local community and other experts.
For us, people who are affected by TB, our only hope and also our only wish is that there should be shorter TB regimens and also tablets that have fewer side effects.
Within Unite for TB, TASK is one of the sites that is performing that phase 2BC study. If you use only completely new drugs, you overcome resistance to all the drugs that we are using now.
In Unite for TB, we want to evaluate the efficacy and tolerability of 2 new agents, GSK 656 and BTZ 043. We also want to see which medication should be combined to have a better tolerated and performing treatment than the current one.
With our new approach, Unite for TB could change the way TB drug development is done. Current trial designs usually focus on the development of single drugs. In Unite for TB, we're developing an entire drug regimen. Through innovative phase 2 trials, we can already identify drug regimens at optimal durations, which have the highest chance of success in large-scale phase 3 clinical trials.
I am really happy to learn that Unite for TB is already involving key stakeholders to prepare everything so that novel regimens will find their way into patient-centered care.